On October 11th, 2023, USCIS provided additional guidance for the EB-5 investor visa program. Now, this information is key for those that are looking to move to the United States, or potentially you're already in the United States and you have hundreds of thousands of dollars of capital to invest. And it's one of the few options that's available for Indian nationals and Chinese nationals to secure a green card without waiting 5 to 20 plus years. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. But before I jump into the details, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for all different types of updates on immigration and franchising. So this major guidance that came out is on principally the required investment timeframe. Investors no longer need to sustain their investment throughout their conditional residence. So before, it might be 5, 10, 15 plus years, especially if you were born in China, to get the conditional residency, depending on what time you invested in, what year, what area. Other nationalities could be taking 3 to 5 plus years. Processing times, thankfully, have coincided to be much better in rural and high unemployment areas, ranging anywhere from 3 to a little over 12 months. But this is big news because no longer do you need to have your capital if you invest in a regional center with another company managing it, earning a relatively low return for say 8, 10, 15 years. You could invest some money and get your money back in as little as 2 years. An important thing to note, job creation requirements should have been met before you divest of your investment. So in practice, we do expect regional center investments and direct investment opportunities more to be at the 3-year mark to allow some flexibility to the job creation as well as the flow of funds. A regional center investment structured debt into, say, a multifamily real estate project could be a 3-year term loan plus 2 1-year extensions if needed. If those extensions happen, the EB-5 investor would be delayed in getting their initial capital back, but they should also be receiving a higher return. As for direct projects, you could invest in your own business, whether independent or franchise. It could be a restaurant, preschool, home healthcare business. If it's in a rural area and after you invest that $800,000 in a high unemployment area, rural area of the United States, and create those 10 jobs, the 2-year clock commences. So in practice, it should be closer to 3 years for those direct investors, but you could sell the business at the 3-year mark or even later. Many people will hold on to small business investments for 5 to 10 plus years. Now, on a regional center investment, you do have far less control and your fate is really tied to the success of the project, the managers, what they want to do at the end of the day, how hard it is to sell the asset or refi it to free up the capital to pay you back as an EB-5 investor. I recently attended an EB-5 conference here in Miami hosted by JTC as well as a law firm Saul Ewing, and attorney Ron Klasko emphasized that this guidance is it's guidance. It's not the law and it could change in the future. So stay tuned as we have future updates on the EB-5 investor visa as well as a lower investment visa category that most of our clients opt for, which is the E2 visa.